Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I get my hair in this sleek bun with no edge control involved, because that stuff does not work on these edges. But yeah, we are doing a quick tutorial in this video on how to keep a low slick bun, one of my everyday hairstyles if it's not in the silk press. And I hope you guys are staying safe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video so that we can reach more people. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. What's up, you guys? As I stated, we are back with another video. It's been a crazy 4 months, even with this coronavirus stuff. So I wanted to bring something different. I wanted to bring a sleek, low ponytail, my go-to style when my silk presses is oily. So this is how my hair look. This is how I look all quarter team with my hair ain't combed. So this is how my hair look when the wrap is over. Ooh, it's shedding. Need to comb my hair out. Okay, so what I do like to do every time before I put my hair in the ponytail is comb it out with a wide tooth comb. And I always kind of leave where my part is at anyway. So I'm gonna just comb it out. I really need my hair color. I need my blonde back, okay? I am ready. Ready. Okay, so I comb my hair out. I like to fix my part. I usually just leave it where the part is at when I wear it down. But we just gonna clean it up. Comb it down how I want it. And then I'm going to use this TGIN Butter cream. It's a daily moisturizer. I use this in my hair every day. So I don't sleep with my ponytail in my hair. I will wrap my hair, put the hair scarf on, but take the ponytail out so I don't cause tension in my hair. You don't really need a lot. A little goes a long way, even though I just put extra in my hand. I like to make sure my ends are super moisturized since they are colored. Got that on my forehead. Just pop that in there, rub it through, especially on my ends, like I stated before. I don't use edge control because I hate for my hair to look oily and greasy after a while. What I've been using, I got put on by a friend, is the Smoothing Gel. That's what it look like. And going to use my fingers, dip some in there. So I really like to only just put it on my edges because I like for the rest of my hair to just look sleek like it is now. And I don't like for my hair to look hard. So we're just gonna put this on there. I usually leave these out, but I don't want to put any more heat on my hair. So we're just gonna roll with the punches today. So I just add gel all along my edges. I try not to put a lot of gel on my edges so that my hair right here just stays like that. My little baby hairs. And I always put some in the back. Make sure that's massaged in. Okay, now what I like to do is take the hard brush first and just brush it back. Brush it how I want it to lay. This side always gives me a little bit of trouble, especially this little hair right here. I feel like I got I wouldn't say it's a widow's peak, but it's not easy. It's not easy to slick in a ponytail. So that's where my comb comes back in handy. Oh no, I just let it do whatever it want to do at this point in life. You know? Just brush the gel in. And with this gel, I don't really need to put a hair scarf on, which I like, so I could just go. But if I wanted to be super sleek, then I'll put the hair scarf on or a wrap-it. So just brush it down. And I just keep brushing until I feel like it's smooth as I want it to be. And then this little hair right here is sticking up. So I like to just go back in with the comb. And always remember, when you comb your hair out, always start at the ends, never in the middle. You don't want to pull your hair out. I do have my cosmetology license, by the way, but I just do not like doing hair. I prefer to do makeup. So, put it in there. And then I just keep the ponytail low. Wrap it around 3 times. And it's just slick. Now I got a toothbrush. You could go in with your toothbrush if you want to. And just make it even more slick. See this hair right here? Put a little bit more gel right here. Those little hairstyles right here. Put up just to look a little even on both sides. My hair naturally curls up after. My edges are very unruly. They kind of do what they want to do. At this point, we just add in finishing touches. Make sure everything is slick. And this is my quick, one of my everyday styles when I don't want to do my hair. And then after this, it goes into a bun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how I put my hair in a low ponytail. Nothing spectacular, you know. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys soon.